When you scramble eggs, you unlock their powerful potential for holding other flavors, for tightly binding together whatever they happen to be mixed with, because you can make a frittata with a lot more than just bacon, cheddar, and broccoli. How about silky smooth French cream cheese with aromatic dill and plain old milk? Just a splash though, just enough to help keep the eggs tender while they scramble. These are going to be the tastiest scrambled eggs ever, but they're really just a way to hold luxurious, smooth smoked salmon. You can pour this mixture into a pan and bake it just the way it is, but you can also give it a jump start by partially scrambling it. And you don't always have to bake a frittata in a frying pan either. You gotta love store-bought puff pastry. It's too easy to just roll out a few squares and bake them off for a few minutes. 400 degrees, in 15 minutes, they'll be done. Now here's an idea. You can actually fully scramble a mixture like this, and instead of stuffing it into puff pastry, try stuffing it straight into more smoked salmon. Now that's pretty fancy. But around here, there's no such thing as too fancy, so why not go all the way? I mean, if eggs go with fish, won't eggs go with fish eggs too? Sturgeon caviar, sustainably raised, of course. There are very few things in this kitchen as tasty as caviar, especially with smoked salmon. This just goes to show how strong eggs can be. I mean, they're so strong they can hold on to everything from basic bacon and cheddar to luxurious smoked salmon to over-the-top extravagant caviar. Once you understand that, nothing's holding you back. Nothing's keeping you from stirring your twist into your cooking.